Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to study divisibility rule. This is very simple. So let us start with number 2. So in 2 the rule is that you have to just check what is present in the units place. If the units digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, right? If that is the number given at the units place, that number will be divisible by 2. Now talking about 3, for 3 you just have to check what is the sum of the digits. Okay, if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, that means it will be divisible by 3. For example, if I just take one example for 2, you whatever number you will get, if that number is containing the last digit is 2, 4, 6 or 8, that number will be divisible by 2. For 3, as you can see what I have written, let us take one example, 32. Is it divisible by 3? What do you have to do? You have to just do the addition. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. So therefore 32 will also not be divisible by 3. Unlike 39, when you add 39, 3 plus 9, 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so 39 is also divisible by 3. Now let us check for 4. So here the rule need to check what is given at the last 2-digit number. Okay, the number made by the last 2-digit number. If that number is divisible by 4, then the entire number will be divisible by 4. For example, that you have any number, okay, so that is 324. So in this you have to just check the last 2 digit, which is 24. Of course 24 is divisible by 4, so therefore the entire number will be divisible by 4. Now, for example, 441, you have to check 41. 41 is of course not divisible by 4, so therefore the entire number is not divisible by 4. So in the same way, you can check for any number. You just have to check the last 2-digit number. Now talking about 5. So for 5, you just have to check the units digit is 0 or 5. That's it. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by by 5. Otherwise, no. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. Of course, you can say 50 divisible because 0 is the last digit. 592 not divisible. 8936425, such a big number, but you don't have to check the entire thing. You just have to check the last digit because the last digit was 5, so it was divisible by 5. Now let us talk about 6. So for 6, the rule is that if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. That's the only rule, and you already know the rule for 2 and 3. So if both the rules are getting satisfied, then the number will be divisible by 6. For example, 18. Clearly this is a divisible by 2, right? Because 8 is the units place. Now if you do the addition, 1 plus 8, 9, which is 6 also. Now let us do for 7. So for 7, what do we have to do? We just have to check here the difference. Okay, you have to check the difference between twice the last digit. Okay, difference between twice the last digit and the number made by the other digits. Okay, that's it. Now if the statement is not clear, I am going to give you an example also. Okay, so that should be either 0 or a multiple of 7. That's it. For example, you can see 49. Now what is the last number here? 9. Okay, what is the twice of that number? 18. What is the difference between 18 and 4? 14. Clearly 14 is divisible by 7, therefore entire 49 is divisible by 7. Same way you can find for the larger numbers as well. Now let us check for 8. Now in 8, what is the rule? You just have to check the last 3 digits number, unlike 4. In 4, we were checking the 2-digit number. Here you have to check the last 3-digit numbers. If the last 3-digit number is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. That's it. So you don't have to worry how long the number is, how larger the number is. You just need to check the last 3-digit number. For example, here you can see that I have taken such a large number, and I'm just checking the last 3-digit number. If the last 3-digit number is divisible by 8, then of course the entire number is divisible by 8, because here 432 was divisible by 8, therefore the entire number is divisible by 8. Isn't it very interesting? Okay, let's check about 9. So in 9, what do you have to do is you have to just do again the sum of the digits. Okay, just like we were doing in 3. So sum of the digits you have to do, if that number is a multiple of 9, then entire number is a multiple of 9, is divisible by 9. So therefore 3, 4, 3, 7, 1, when you are adding, you're getting 18, and 18 is of course divisible by 9, therefore the entire number is divisible by 9. Now let's check for 10. Now let me tell you that this is the simplest one. It's just the unit digit should be 0. That's it. If the unit digit is 0, the number is absolutely going to be divisible by 10. That's it. For example, I'm writing here 2, 9, 3, 6, 8, 4, 3, 2. I'm ending my number with 2. Of course, it is not divisible by 10. But as soon as I added 0 at the end, the entire number will be divisible by 10. So it's very simple. Now talking about 11. So it is a bit different from the others, but also very easy. What you have to do is you have to just find the difference between the sum of the odd digit places and the even digit places. That's it. For example, here you will see that I'm going to take one example and we will understand about 11. Okay. So the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places must be either 0 or that number should be divisible by 11. That's it. Okay, or a multiple of 11. So for example, I'm taking a number 121. So what are the odd digits? 1 and 1, because that is present at the odd place. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 2 is 0. Of course, this is divisible by 11. Now 3, 4, 1, 2, 8. Now let us add the odd places. 3 plus 1 plus 8. And even places 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, I have made a mistake here. 4 plus 2 is 6. And so 12 minus 6 is 6. Of course, that is also not going to be divisible by 11. So therefore, the entire number is not divisible by 11. So I hope you have understood about this divisibility rule from 2 to 11. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.